everybody, man. What we're gonna do today, man, is we're gonna make a simple Rueben. Okay, so first thing we're gonna start off with is getting our marble rye bread. Okay, we got our pan here. We got it on 4 right now, so we're letting it heat up. Okay, so the next step I'm gonna do, and this is how I make a Rueben at the house. First thing we're gonna do, man, is we're gonna pull 2 pieces of bread out of here. Okay. And then we're gonna butter both sides of this bread. Gonna make sure nothing worse, man, than whenever you're doing a grilled cheese or something like that, for people not to go all the way to the edge of the bread, man. I never understood that. Gotta go all the way to the edge. Push it to the edge, folks. Also, I'm real big on making my bread match up. So when I butter my bread, I make sure I butter the right side. That way it'll match up together. I don't know, little kink I got, I guess. So now that we got both sides all the way to the edges on this bread, we are gonna start it off like this. Okay, we'll put our bread together. Now what we have here is some boar's head sauerkraut, and what we're gonna do is I got some of these hot banana pepper rings, the Mount Olives. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull a handful of these out, and we're gonna put them in this sauerkraut. Okay, now the next thing is we got some of this Ken's motherfucking steakhouse $1,000 dressing. We're gonna dump that all on this shit here. Okay, so now that that's mixed up, we're gonna stir all this together, get it all good and mixed up in there. Y'all see it happening. Y'all see that work I'm putting in. Oh, whip it real good. Whip it real good. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, let me get this shit out my damn way. Get over there. Get over there. Alright. So now we got our mix right there mixed up. So now what we got here is a boar's head. I don't know if you can read it, but it's a jalapeno, basically a pepper jack, but you know what I mean, it's fancy. It's fancy up in this bitch. So now, what we're gonna do is, when I do mine, I want 2 pieces of cheese on mine. Okay? So now, we got boar's head, the corned beef for the Rueben. So now we're gonna open this bad boy up. I know y'all usually like for me to put my meat on your grill, you know what I mean? But today we're gonna put it on a sandwich. Okay? So now I'm just gonna pile this up. Boom. Boom, gang. Whole lot of gang shit. Alright. So as y'all can see, man, this is 4 pieces of this here boar's head, and that's how we're gonna do that there. Okay, so now we got all that done. Now we're just gonna pile this right up on top of this bad boy. Load her up. I like a lot of kraut, so y'all might not want to use this much, but I do like a lot of sauerkraut on mine. So I piles mine on posit on. You seen that little push with the belly? Y'all seen that maneuver? Y'all little skinny motherfuckers don't know nothing about that belly push though. All right, so now we're gonna get our last piece of cheese and put over this hole. Now onto the grill or the pan. Okay. So now we're gonna lay that bad boy in there. Oh my God. And a piece of my pepper already fell off. My banana pepper already done fell off. Never waste food. That's not nice. But if y'all don't know, man, Boar's Head is a product, and I'm guessing it's all over the place. Okay, but their products are like sold down here in Publix, man, and it's a more expensive meat, and somebody told me it's kosher. I'm not positive on that, but I know Boar's Head has really good meats and cheeses and stuff like that. And this pepper jack cheese here, it's called Havarti. I guess I'm pronouncing that right. Probably wrong though, but it's way better than any pepper jack you can get at a store or whatever. So yeah, I really enjoy it, especially when I'm making my Reubens and stuff. And as y'all can hear, man, this sandwich is coming along nice. It's starting to grill. Get up in that bad boy right there. Let me see. Uh-oh. Made a little boo-boo there. A little honey boo-boo there. So yeah, we got that bad boy grilling. Let's make sure it ain't sticking. Oh my God, y'all, I know y'all heard that sizzle. I know y'all heard that sizzle. I know y'all heard that sizzle. Get my little mess cleaned up so the old lady don't come out here nagging. Why you guys get all over the counter? That right there is as far as I go with dishes. Rinsing them out before I put them in the sink. Now we'll toast it on both sides. That cheese is starting to melt real good. We're gonna go ahead and cut this bad boy off. I'm gonna bring y'all to the blizzard. My sauerkraut that here fell out. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to cut this bad boy. Once I cut it, I'm gonna give y'all the world premiere of this here Rueben. And we ain't talking Rueben Studdard. This is my sorry for 2004. Damn, I'm sorry. Now let's check this sandwich out. Check that sandwich out. Would you look at that? Just look at that. Just look at that. Nah. We got that sandwich figured out. Let's taste this bad boy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, if you made it to the end of this right here, let me know if you're going to try this right here. A little Lost Soul special. Kind of like, appreciate y'all support, man. Much love to everybody.